Hey y'all, from Navarre Beach, Florida. Today we're going to show you around one of the best RV resorts in this area. This is Santa Rosa Waterfront RV Resort. Located just off of Highway 90, this resort backs up to the Santa Rosa Sound and is just minutes from the beach. They offer 88 campsites. 24 of those are waterfront. They have a fishing pier where no license is needed, and a private beach with almost 1,000 foot of natural shoreline. The pool overlooks the sound and is heated. It sits behind their clubhouse, and they have a nice grilling area. There are nice private bathrooms up here as well. They have on-site laundry and a fitness room. On the other side of the resort is a children's playground and a fenced-in pet area. They are very dog-friendly here, and they even have a dog beach. All of the RV sites have concrete pads, a picnic table, and full hookup with 30 and 50 amp power. They also offer Wi-Fi and cable here. Now let's take a drive through to give you a little better look at the sites, and we'll walk you through the one we're staying on. We're here on site 85. Nice big concrete site. We have plenty of room. Have a picnic table. Have a little bit of shade. You can see the palm trees here in the back. Gives you a little bit of privacy from the neighbors. And back here are all the hookups. And again, we have some trees on this side that give you some privacy and provide shade.